Hi, I'm Katie, and today I'm showing you how to use a breast pump in a simple, everyday way. Before you start, wash your hands and get comfortable. Olivia says she always chooses a quiet spot where she can relax. Next, assemble your breast pump and make sure all the parts are clean and dry. Rebecca reminds moms to check the flange size, because the right fit makes pumping much more comfortable. Place the flange over your breast, keeping your nipple centered. Turn the pump on at the lowest setting. Megan suggests starting slow and gently increasing the suction until it feels firm but never painful. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the milk flow slows. You can switch sides if needed. Sophie likes to gently massage her breasts while pumping to help the milk flow more easily. When you're finished, turn the pump off before removing it. Pour the milk into clean storage bottles and label them with the date. Laura recommends storing milk straight away. Finally, wash all pump parts with warm soapy water and let them air dry. With practice, pumping becomes a natural part of daily life.